Behind every flawless machine is a shield you can't see. A shield that stops corrosion, mechanical failure, and environmental damage. That shield is anodizing. Welcome to RPWORLD in-house anodizing facility, which is built to deliver high-performance finishing parts from prototyping to full-scale production. RPWORLD offers a wide range of finishing options. The core finishings for your metal parts include anodizing, hard anodizing, passivation, black oxide, and copper passivation, each tailored for different functions and materials. Every great finish begins with the right foundation. Sandblasting creates ideal surface bases, improving coating adhesion, uniformity, and resistance to peeling or inconsistency, especially for complex geometries. Anodizing process begins with the complete surface preparation, including degrazing, pickling, rinsing, then electrolytic anodizing, followed by dyeing or sealing for the protection and colors you need. RPWORLD supports both Type 2 and Type 3 anodizing, meeting MIL 8625 requirements when specified. Type 2 offers 525 micrometers decorative or corrosion-resistant coatings, dye-friendly, ideal for consumer and medical applications. Type 3 builds thicker, denser layers from 100 micrometers, achieving hardness up to 500 HV. It's essential for mechanical and highware parts. RPWORLD automated systems precisely control current, bath temperature, and time, ensuring consistent and stable performance on every batch. Have your own specifications? No problem. Whether following MIL 8625, Certec 650, ALO 9600, or your own standards, we support fully customized finishing to meet your exact needs. Different thickness, hardness, colors, or cleaning procedures also can be achieved through our custom racks, tailored coloring, and specialized ultrasonic deep hole cleaning, enabling flexible anodizing at scale. Behind every flawless finish is rigorous quality control at every stage. At our dedicated lab room, solution concentration is closely monitored and adjusted to ensure stable, high-quality anodizing. At the inspection room, we perform comprehensive finishing inspections for finished parts to ensure consistent quality. Constant temperature and humidity testing confirm your parts remain stable under extreme conditions. UV aging test check resistance to long-term light and humidity exposure. During salt spray testing, we assess corrosion resistance in neutral, high moisture conditions. Inspections also can be tailored to ensure your requirements are fully met. All process data and test results are fully traceable from parameters to final inspection. This traceability ensures full transparency and confidence in high-reliability industries. We care about the environment and our people. At our facility, all wastewater goes through the treatment equipment to ensure the water is harmless and clean. Acid fumes are filtered and captured through our ventilation system, creating a clean, safe, and sustainable environment for our people and the earth we live in. It's all part of our ESG practice. Send us your drawings and finishing needs. We'll deliver a customized manufacturing solution.